Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to resolve the issue no such element are unable to locate element. As when we are trying to enter the username, then unable to locate element and error message is showing. In this tutorial, I will show you how to resolve this issue. As when running this script and error message is showing unable to locate element. As here message no such element and unable to locate element and error message is showing in console. We need to add the explicit wait for resolving this issue. WebDriver wait. First, we will initialize the WebDriver wait driver duration dot of seconds. Here we enter the wait, how much the maximum amount of wait we want to add. If the 20-second, this is the maximum time of wait. After initializing the WebDriver wait, we add condition here, wait dot until expected condition dot element to be clickable by dot name. Just copy this value and paste here. Remove this line. Here we initialize the wait and add the condition. It will wait until the element is not clickable, until the enter in this field which is username. Let's run this script. In this scenario, we are trying to enter the username in the username field. Here, username required dot send keys. Enter the username which is admin. Let's run again this script. As Chrome driver is opening, enter the username, password, and then login into the dashboard screen. Unable to locate find element, this issue has been resolved. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips and tell me in the comment below.